Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Kia Sportage and Hyundai Tucson. These two popular compact SUVs share a common platform but offer unique styling and features. We will explore their performance, interior comfort, technology, and overall value. By the end, you will have a clearer understanding of which vehicle might be the better fit for your lifestyle and driving preferences. Let's dive in and see how these two siblings stack up against each other. Under the hood, both the Sportage and Tucson typically feature a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. For those seeking more efficiency, hybrid variants are available, boosting power to approximately 227 to 230 horsepower. When it comes to driving feel, the Sportage tends to have a slightly firmer suspension, offering a sportier sensation, while the Tucson often provides a marginally softer, more comfort-oriented ride. Inside, both vehicles comfortably seat 5 passengers, offering generous legroom for all. The Sportage provides up to 74.1 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded, while the Tucson slightly edges it out with up to 83 cubic feet. Both SUVs come equipped with impressive technology, including large touchscreen infotainment systems, typically 12.3 inches, and seamless integration for your smartphone, ensuring you stay connected on the go. When considering value, both the Kia Sportage and Hyundai Tucson offer an excellent warranty package. This includes a 5-year or 60,000-mile basic warranty and an impressive 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. Ultimately, choosing between these two comes down to personal preference in design, specific feature availability, and whether you prioritize a slightly sportier feel or a more comfort-tuned ride. Both are strong contenders in the compact SUV segment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.